So we have all kinds of fireworks here. We have a bunch of them, from firecrackers to whatever this is. I still don't know what it's called, but we're just going to be doing them one by one. So we're going to show us lighting them, and then we're going to give our thoughts on them. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so we are about to light the first firework, the gushing smoke. All right, light it. Whoa! Stop! Woo! Smoke. Blue. This next one's called the sunflower. Let's light it. Woo!
Oh my God, dude! That went on the roof. Did it go on the roof?
It went
Yeah.
over the house. That went all the way over the house.
Yep. Okay, so this one's just a piece of poop. It's just apparently just a bunch of sparks. We don't know what it's called.
What is it?
It's supposed to be sparks.
Woo, that's...
Oh, it's like snakes coming out. Yep.
Well, that's what the toilet looks like after eating Taco Bell. So this next one is called the artificial satellite. We're about to light it.
You think it goes like that or like that?
You wouldn't lay it on the floor.
So you think like that?
Yeah. Okay, take two. We're doing it on the other side now, because last time was kind of disappointing. Like, literally the fuse lasted longer than the actual firework.
There we go.
Okay, this one is called the Patriot Stick.
This one might need to be.
Woo! Yep, pretty cool. Okay, this one is the M5000. It's not like actually 5000, but
It's the M5000 Salute Cracker.
yeah, not like M80 stuff, but it's inside the poop firework.
Is that one louder than the?
Yeah, it's way louder than the previous one we did. This one's called Clowning Around, and I particularly like the cover. I mean, yeah, it's terrifying, but it's great because of that. I mean, look at this thing. Oop. Is it a flare? Woo! Oh my gosh. Yeah, the camera can't really capture it that well. You just have to... Okay, it's the classic Roman candle. Everyone knows it. Everyone loves it. We're gonna like shoot up high.
The dud.
It's gonna set the tree on fire. Oh my gosh. Okay.
There you go.
All right, this
I like
is
how it timed out with the punk.
yeah, it's the finale of this day. It's
Color.
the color pearl flower. So we're just gonna light this. Woo. Oh my gosh, get away, get away. It's gonna go in the pool probably. The empty pool. Woo! Okay, so this is day 2 of the fireworks review. Wow, that rhymed. I'm Tupac. What am I doing with my life? Anyways, so yeah, we went for another round of fireworks shopping. We've got a lot of new fireworks on the table here, plus the leftovers from yesterday. And today's actually the 4th. Yesterday was the 3rd. Yeah, so we're just gonna be lighting them all here. So let's get started. All right, we're doing the what would you call it?
Soup can rocket.
Yeah. So we put a firecracker in there, and it's gonna go up.
Water in this thing. Here we go. Try this. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Yo, back up. Shit, tripping.
Right,
Really
this one's
loud.
called Girl Power. Yo, if they can't handle a joke though, like. Alright,
Is it like a smoke bomb or no? What is that? Don't get too close. Maybe that thing will explode. Run away! Run! That's it.
Where'd it go?
Oh my gosh! That went through the tree.
I don't even want to touch it.
Well, don't! Whoa, M5000. Rip off, but still, like, no M80 stuff, but. I've seen this one before. It's. Yeah, it's just. This one's called the Star Shooter.
No, get back. Get back.
Whoa! Alright,
Video?
this next one is called Happy. The other kid's mom made them kind of annoyed at her with that, but anyways, we're just gonna light it. It's called Happy. Yeah.
Happy, back up, back up. Watch out for the trashy area.
Oh! Woo! Okay, this last one is called Made in the USA. Wow. Way to be original. Way to not break the norm of being overly patriotic. Oh my gosh. 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 This was like $11. Oh. It's a series of things. Oh my gosh, I just inhaled more smoke. This is just the bonus one. Right after this, we just have like tiny leftovers. What's this called? Alright. Number 5. Number 5 best firework in the world? Probably not, but
Okay,
you know, we'll
here
see.
We go.
Oh my gosh, we are gonna die. We are going to freaking die. Woo! That's like a full-blown mortar.